Good morning, dear hearts. Well, we have a dynamic duo of lessons today in our final review lesson. And congratulate yourself because you've gotten through the second review with today's lesson. The two lessons we are reviewing are, let me recognize my problem so it can be solved, and let me recognize my problems have been solved. And obviously we can see how these two are so intricately connected, okay? Let me recognize my problem so it can be solved. My problem, the only problem I ever will have is a grievance. It's a grievance of some sort, but it's a grievance that I have put a great deal of importance onto. And because I have placed importance onto it, I cherish it. I think there's a benefit for me to keep this grievance, for me to keep this upset, okay? Now, what this lesson is telling us is that the problem is always a grievance, something that I am having a difficult time releasing. And the solution is always going to be a miracle. It's always going to be a shift in perception about what the grievance is. What is it representing to me? Why do I want to hold on to it? When I can uncover that reason why I want to hold on to it, then as the three lessons, the three lines in the practice say, this presents a problem to me which I would have resolved. The awareness that it already has been solved, but I have removed myself from the answer. I have removed myself from the solution to the grievance, to the problem, okay? The second lesson in review is, let me recognize my problems have been solved. When I'm not recognizing my problems have been solved, it's because I am misusing time. I am using time in order to stay stuck rather than using time to its highest benefit, which would be to turn it over to the Holy Spirit. I have this issue, I have this problem. I don't know what it's all about, and I'm going to collapse time, and instead of me spending time in trying to resolve something that has already been solved, I'm turning it over to the Holy Spirit. One of the recognitions here is one of the things, a theme that goes through the course, which is as soon as there's a problem, the solution has been given to us. Our Father, Creator, Source, would never give us a problem without a solution. So as soon as my ego mind makes up the problem, my holy mind gives me the solution. Now, if I remove myself from that solution, I am misusing time. But if I choose to allow time to work in my favor as opposed to working against me, I give it to the Holy Spirit, who will show me, guide me into right-minded thinking so my problem can be solved. And in the three practice lines at the bottom, it says, the answer to this problem is already given me if I will accept it. So today we get to decide to accept the answer to the problem that has been given us, okay? Again, congratulations. We finished the second review. Tomorrow we start new lessons, and one thing you're going to notice is they're much longer, and I will still try to keep to a limited time so we can all share in this, and let's see how that goes. If this was helpful, please share it. Please subscribe. And please stay in a space of no problems today, knowing they really have all been solved. Okay? Namaste.